Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how we will connect uh, Amazon EC2 from your SSH, your shell. So here I am in Amazon EC2 instance. So if I am going back here, I can see my instance here. So I need to click on the connect button. So it will say all the things that we need to connect to a particular instance. So actually I already download my private key, public key. So I need to, yeah, I already download my private key. So it should be in my folder. So what I did is I just copied my uh, private key into the folder that I can accessible. So if I am going to my that particular folder, you can see my CodeWiz file is there. The next thing that I need to do is I need to change the permission for this one. So I'm just making chmod 400 for that particular file. Then what else I'm going to do is I need to connect with my instance using this commands ssh minus I core perm ubuntu whatever. Then I'm just entering that it works. So right now I'm inside my instance, EC2 instance. If I'm just making ls, nothing is here. So this is my instance of ubuntu. So I can do whatever here. So sudo I will do some of the commands here. So I will do one of the commands, sudo apt get update. Okay, that's the one I'm going to do right now. Okay, so it's installing updates. So what I am going to do next is I'm going to install docker install ubuntu. So how I will do that? So before I am installing my docker, I need to have something. This is actually apt transport https install package to allow apt to use the repository over https. So I'm just doing that. So I'm just running that one. So right now, so this make I can access https using sudo. So it will take some times. After that, it will be ready. Okay, that's done. Next command. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to download our Docker using the curl. So it's okay. It's downloaded. Then what else I need to verify that you have the key with the fingerprint. So how we'll do is, yeah, so that's also verified. Docker release, C, Docker hub, so everything is there. Now what I am going to do is install that Docker engine that I download. So it will download the latest version of Docker. Okay, package Docker has no installation. So here, okay, so right now we are not in. Okay, so right now I am installing Docker. Okay, that done. And this one also I am going to do. Okay, so Docker is installed. So in my EC2 instance, so I can see Docker hello world also I need to do. Docker run hello world. So it will try to access that image from your local, but if it is not available, it will try to get it from permission denied. Okay, so I got an error. So basically, I can access my Docker hub right now. So I need to search for that particular solution. Okay, there is some permission that I need to set. Too bad already exists, and okay, that's done. Then Docker run hello world. Still I am getting the same error, so basically it will not. I need to add some more permission. Okay, there is no home folder, so I need to search for the Docker. Okay, I didn't find anything. Okay, okay, so next video I will solve this issue. So basically we are facing some issues regarding the permission denied. So how I will